Now this is Oodle online marketplace. So it's a marketplace where people will sell cars, motorcycles, boats, they'll rent out apartments, office space, they'll advertise jobs, or even sell pets. So it's a very varied marketplace. Now, more often than not, most people use Oodle just to sell old things or unwanted pets, or puppies, or whatever, that type of thing. But that's the reason why most marketers don't even know about it or don't use it at all. But it does have its uses for marketers, and I'm going to explain why now. As you can see down here, there is a section called services, and there is a section called tickets. So as a marketer, if you're offering any services, you can actually list them on Oodle. Alternatively, if you have a webinar or any sort of online event, you could actually list that on here as well. So even though it might look like a website where you just sell off your old stuff or your pets, you can actually also list your online events on here. So it's really simple. All you do is to create a post by hitting post here at the top. And you just fill in the appropriate details. So what are you posting? It will be an online event. Why are you posting it? Because obviously you're looking to get people to attend. You'd describe the event, you'd add a photo if you want, you'd select category, which would be in this case tickets, and it would be free. So this could be online, or you could just put an area in there and you could post. It's that simple. So that's how you'd use Oodle as a marketer. Now obviously the primary use of this website isn't for marketing purposes, but it is a website that you can actually use to enhance the traffic back to your event or to your service websites.